Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, hi, my name is Anastasia and I would love if you would consider subscribing. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a side-by-side comparison of the popular Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencils. For being two of the most popular brow products on the market, I really wanted to see if one was better than the other. To see which one you might prefer more, just keep on watching. We are going to start with the Benefit Brow Pencil first, and this is in the shade number 6. So first I'm just going to brush up my brows with the spoolie, and then I'm going to start from the bottom and then draw in my basic shape that I want and then fill in the rest in a bit. I do want to mention that I actually have never gotten my brows done before. They are naturally like this, so I just work with the shape that I have and just kind of enhance it to look better. I personally don't think there is a right or a wrong way to do your brows. It's really just a whole matter of trial and error to see what works best for you. So I wouldn't use this video as a tutorial, more so it's for your own purpose of comparison to see which one you might want to buy if you're in the market for a new brow product. Here I am just using some NARS concealer to highlight my brow bone and clean up the brow a little bit, and then we're going to move on to the next one. The shade that I bought in the Anastasia pencil is called Granite. I believe that it is the darkest one that it has, and I'm going to just do the exact same thing that I did on my other eye, and then we're just going to compare to see how they both look. Right off the bat, I am noticing that the Anastasia one has a significantly more waxier texture than the Benefit one, and you can probably tell that the Benefit one looks a lot more brown than the Anastasia one. So from a color matching perspective, I would have to say that the Anastasia one seems to be matching me better. From an application perspective, I think that the Anastasia one was just a little more easier to apply, maybe because it matches my brows better, but I did like that one more personally. And the Benefit one is great. I have used Benefit in the past and I have loved it, but I do want to know what you guys think and which one you prefer more, so let me know in the comments below, and I hope this video helped somebody out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.